Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Golf SV GT. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 50 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 16,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the metallic Atlantic blue and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, got the nice clean interior. On the GT, you've got these really comfy supportive seats with the armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has heated front seats, climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The SV is much bigger than the standard Golf, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and rear passengers have their own air vents, as well as a 12 volt charging point there in the centre, as well as the smart foldaway picnic tables. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, and below that you've got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and this particular car has the factory option of the colour reversing camera. This car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.